Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video, and if you're new here, you are also very much welcome. My name is Candy and I create content on hair and lifestyle. You are very much welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how we grew our hair using 3 of my best recipes on the channel. So we just went from a dry hair to a well moisturized, well fed hair. You can see how shiny it is and how healthy her hair is looking. So this is what we use as a treatment weekly to actually grow our hair, to retain the length, and also to just grow our hair generally. So this is my daughter's hair before. If you've been following me, I'm sure you can attest to the progress of her hair, of how far we have come. So this is even before I cut her hair, and eventually I did cut her hair, and this is what her hair looks like now. And this is all thanks to the recipes I will be sharing in this video. So the first of the recipes is my carrot and aloe vera leave-in conditioner. I posted this video a few months back. I will be linking it in the description box. Check it out. This recipe will do amazing things to your hair. It is so good for hair growth, for stimulating your scalp and all that. And then my hair growth oil. This is another amazing recipe. This recipe contains about 11 ingredients. It has a lot of amazing oils and some hair powders as well. Check that out as well. I'll link it in the description box. And finally, my butter. So I made this butter for hair growth. This is an aloe vera butter. It contains a lot of ingredients: shea butter, mango butter, aloe vera, so many oils. It has about 14 ingredients, which are powerful ingredients for hair growth. I will link them all in the description box. If you use these 3 recipes in this video like I will be showing you, you would see a lot of difference to your hair. Your hair will thrive, your hair will be healthy, your hair will grow. As you saw my daughter's former pictures and what her hair looks like now, I invested a lot of time taking care of her hair, making sure that I treat the hair weekly, and I can see her hair is doing so well. So now I'll be showing you the routine and how often I do this. So I do this for my daughter once a week, starting with the carrot and aloe vera juice. So I'm taking down her twist. This is because when she's not going anywhere, I like to put her hair in a twist or in a mini braids, just so that I can do a protective styling. That really helps with hair growth as well. So this is the one I have done since we did her wash routine. So this hair is like 4 days after we've done the wash routine. It's not completely dry, but I always like her hair to be well moisturized, so I don't leave her hair till it's completely dry before I rehydrate the hair. So I'll just spray the juice all over, concentrating on the tip as well, because it's the oldest part of the hair. It is always important you pay extra attention to the tip of your hair, because like I said, it's the oldest and obviously the weakest, so it needs more care than the root of the hair. So I am just massaging the leave-in all through the hair to make sure everywhere is well saturated, the hair is well soaked with the leave-in. Once I am satisfied with how it feels, how moisturized it is, I'm just making some lines to make sure that the hair is a little bit neat. Like I said, I'm just trying to twist the hair again, just to last her another 3 to 4 days before we do her wash routine. So yeah, I am doing that, but you don't have to put your hair in a twist. You could just easily braid it, or any protective styling you think is good for you. I am just showing you the process of applying the hair treatment. So after I have done that, the next stage would be for me to use the hair growth oil. So this hair growth oil is amazing. Like I said, it has 11 powerful ingredients in it. This will change, this is like the game changer. It will change your hair journey. Not only when you have natural hair and you want to grow your hair, don't concentrate more on just the growth of the hair. Concentrate more on how healthy your hair is going to be. I think that is more important. If your hair is healthy, your hair will grow. But if your hair is not healthy, you're only concentrating on the length, then you won't be seeing result. So I will apply the oil only at the root of the hair. So on your scalp, you're not going to apply it on your hair because you don't want your hair to look so greasy. I really don't like to apply oil much on my hair, so I would rather apply this growth oil on the scalp, only on the scalp, and then I will use my fingers to gently massage the scalp just so that the treatment really penetrates into the scalp as well. So don't forget, the carrot juice is all over the hair from the root to the tip, then the oil is only at the root of the hair. Then once I have done that, I am satisfied. The next stage is for me to apply my butter. And for the butter, you're applying just a tiny bit of the butter just to seal in the moisture. And for the butter as well, we are not applying the butter at the root of the hair, only on the hair itself. And this is because butter is really thick and you don't want it to clog your pores. So you have to make sure that you're only applying it on the hair itself, not on your scalp. So the carrot juice, I'm explaining this because it's important for you to actually follow the process. So the carrot juice goes all over the hair from the root to the tip. The oil goes only at the root of your hair, and then the butter only on the hair, not on the root. And then now I am just combing the hair to make sure that it's not tangled. Her hair is so easy to detangle because her hair is, I think it's so healthy that it's easy for me to just, I'm using a small comb here, but I wouldn't advise you to use a small comb. You could use a bigger comb if you think your hair will not be able to stand the little comb. So her hair, I'm able to do that because her hair is not really tangled. It's really easy for me to just comb it through. That is why I'm using it. But on my own hair, I wouldn't use a comb. I wouldn't dare use a comb like that. I use a bigger comb to comb my hair. So after I've done that, I'll just put it in a twist, and then I will show you again the process just so that you understand properly how I'm doing it. So first is to apply the carrot juice from the root to the tip, making sure everywhere is well saturated. Just use your fingers to keep massaging until the hair feels completely damp and almost wet. Once that is done, get your oil and put that only on your scalp, making sure that you target every area of the scalp, and then you use your fingers to just massage through the hair gently. So this video has been forwarded about 4 times, so it looks like I'm being hard on her scalp, but I'm actually very gentle, and the video is fast forwarded. So I'll just massage the scalp, and then I will now go ahead and apply the butter, just a tiny bit of the butter, and only on the hair itself, not on her scalp. So I do this to her hair once a week, but for myself I do this about 3 times a week because I feel like it's unreasonable for you to do this more than once on a child's hair. She will get bored of it. She loves to make her hair, but I feel like doing it more than once is just me stretching it, you know. So but on my own hair, I can afford to do this more than 2 times. So I do it about 3 times a week. So if you can do that as an adult, then do that, but as a child I would advise do it once a week. And I also say in my videos, every recipe I share on my channel is child friendly because I use natural ingredients. Most of the DIY videos you watch are child friendly because they are literally natural ingredients I'm using, so I can afford to use that on her hair. And yeah, myself and her, we use the same treatment. So this treatment I'm showing you is the same exact thing I do on my own hair. It's just that I do mine 3 times and I do hers just once a week. So I've just come to the end of the video. I'm going to repeat the same process. If you found this video useful, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you've watched to this part, then please subscribe to the channel. I have other videos that you will find useful. Please don't forget to check out the recipes I have used in this video. I will link them in the description box as well. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it will help other people see this video. Share this video as well to anyone that you think might find it useful. yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll allow you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.